It is. We are 2 days out, so it's Thursday the 28th of August. High carbs are going in today. First meal is going to be, meal one is 4 whole eggs, 150 grams of the Conta Sports cream of rice, 1 banana, 25 grams of honey, 30 grams of raisins, 20 grams of almond butter, and that is our full meal with our usual salt. So we're going to get that cooking now. I am starving. I've just done some posing, like I say. I've got a YouTube video going up for you guys for 4 weeks out, so I am quite behind with these, but we're getting them done. And we're going to do some mobility work after that before we go on a walk to go and get our muffins. So exciting, fun day, and now I can probably say the hard work has been done, but again there's still a few more things to do, so I never like saying that because it's not over till it's over, but it's a little bit more enjoyable now in terms of getting a bit more calories in. So let's do this. So the eggs are cooking. We've got 4 fried eggs. We've got a brand new pan as well, you see. We've got 2 brand new pans because my pans were destroyed from prep, and you always want to kind of buy stuff on prep. It's like a necessity. We are still doing all of our morning sups, our AM sups today. So we've got astragalus, we've got glutathione from Conta, vitamin D and K2 Conta. We've got a range of sups obviously from our supplement sponsor, and then I've got a few others that they don't stock from Biolabs. We got everything that we usually have with our glutamine and our lemon juice. So for gut health, we're going to keep all of this in up until show day. On show day we won't be having all of the health sups, there's no need, we'll just get them in after the show. And yeah, we're going to get some cream of rice in now. I'm going to go with the salted caramel flavour. I have got chocolate, I have got Biscoff, and I have got white chocolate, but I'm going to go with salted caramel for now. 150 grams of that. And we're going to get to this meal, guys, because I am starving. So the eggs are cooking. We've got 4 fried eggs. So that is meal 1 made of the carb up. So we have 150 grams of Conta Sports cream of rice, 1 banana, 20 grams of almond butter, 30 grams of raisins, 25 grams of honey, a little bit of cinnamon, pink salt, 4 whole eggs, sauerkraut, kimchi, and our usual sauces with our HydroFlow. So I'm going to tuck into this, guys, because I am starving for this meal and I've earned it, and we are getting closer and closer to the show day, which is super exciting. So that is the pre-workout meal. We've got 3 cranks pink salt, which is what we've been doing, and we've got a little bit of the Frank's red hot sauce on there. I usually like a little bit of shredded lettuce, but I've run out. Again though, on peak week and on carb ups, you don't want to, well, shredded lettuce is fine, but you don't want to be loading yourself with too many veggies, just for the sake of fibre purposes and digestion. So doesn't look the most appetizing, but we've got banana, jasmine rice, chicken breast, and 1 sexy muffin ready to be devoured. So I'm going to eat this, guys, get to the gym, and we've got our last training session today, which is going to be arms on their own, which I've not done for ages. So a little bit of an easy session, just pump some blood around, don't go crazy, just kind of push that food around into the muscle, get that last bit of workout in, and then we're going for a massage today. So we're getting our meal in. I thought I would try and show you a little bit of me eating the meal. The lighting isn't the best, but I'm going to get a little bit of this in now. Like I say, just keeping things predictable, keeping things consistent. Yes, we've made tweaks with supplements and made certain tweaks to variables just to manage and manipulate fluids and water. It's working very, very well. But again, not doing crazy water loads where we're going up to like 10 litres or throwing in random foods that we've not eaten, keeping it pretty consistent, pretty clean. Obviously, we're having a little bit of extra denser foods like raisins that we've already had on prep, honey, and the muffins are probably the dirtiest thing, quote unquote, but they're very good to fill up on and keep your GI in check and keep your midsection nice and tight, because they aren't very, they're not very voluminous, so they just digest super quick. Meal number 2, baby, going down. Just gonna eat this, boys, watch a little bit of Men's Physique Radio, and then
We're going to do some shaving. Got to get all that done. Lorena helped me yesterday, bless her. It's like our annual routine. Like, well, we used to do it every year because I used to compete more, but 2 years ago, obviously, we've not stepped on stage for 2 years. I'm super excited to just get back out there, and it's been great to just do this process again with her, where she's shaving my back, shaving my glutes. Any females out there who have a boyfriend who's bodybuilder knows the struggles of getting in those hard to get areas in the hamstrings, in the glutes, and yeah, part of the lifestyle. So I appreciate her doing that. I'm going to buy her something nice for all the help she's done. I'm going to look after her this weekend after the show. And then after that, we're getting straight back to work because we've got our pro qualifier in a couple of weeks. So that's very exciting. We have got one chocolate muffin. So we just had the rice, we had the banana, we had the chicken. I'm just going to get a little bite of this, guys, on camera for you. My newfound love for chocolate muffins has come about this year. I used to be a blueberry muffin guy, and now I'm a chocolate muffin guy. But again, it's got to be Tesco's finest, because this has a gooey centre. So if you're getting muffins that don't have gooey centres, ditch that.
Just like that, guys, we're at the last workout of this first prep. I don't really see it as the last workout because I'm back on prep from Monday, ready for the pro qual, but the time has come, and I feel more than ready. We've had 2 meals, we're at the gym now. It's roughly around the time that we will be stepping on stage. I did fall asleep after the second meal because it just hit me, the carbs hit me, and I just fell asleep. Set my checking falls over. Jamie's just like, get to the gym, get a little arm pump and just get back home and get some cream rice. It feels really weird right now because many of you guys and girls know who compete. You get into peak week and like those last workouts, like today, isn't really anything crazy. It's just arms, and you feel like you should be going in doing like a load of work or doing like crazy stuff, but it's just literally going to be 45 minutes pumping some blood around, not causing any inflammation, taking some pictures and getting the hell out of there, getting home and eating and resting. Again, we're going for a lymphatic drainage massage, if I'm saying it correctly, where you just kind of like release any toxins and release any inflammation or stress in the body, and just kind of free up that lower back, free up the glutes, you know, like move the hips in a way where you feel, you know, quite loose and stuff, ready for stage. So yeah, without further ado, guys, we're going to get in there, get a little arm pump, probably film a little bit of it, and then it's time to go back and have meal number 3.
Yeah, it's 50. One shot, one kill, what's the deal? Yeah, what's the deal? Listen, little homie, when it rains it pours. Hollow tips and talents, when it rains it pours. Get caught in lead showers, just because niggas ain't playing. When it rains it pours. Niggas get set up, it's when it rains it pours. End up wet up, it's when it rains it pours. It usually goes down over money and hoes. But little homie, in my hood, when it rains it pours. Ain't nothing changed, niggas doing the same old shit. Them new hollow tips and them same old clips. In the projects, niggas fuck with the same old chicks. And somehow, they still think their game's so sick. Now from the rip, niggas know I'm about my grip. I don't trick, man, I barely even feed a bitch. She say I'm stingy, I say I don't need you, bitch. Go ahead, leave, see if I chase you, shit. Tell your mammy, I catch her in the street, I'ma get her. She know I'm on parole, why she call police on a nigga? She just mad, cause the nigga pockets on swole. When she asked to borrow something, I say hell no. I was telling the little homies all about this shit. So keep your mind on your money and don't trust no bitch. Kiki hit high notes when them pigs came, but her ass kinda fat, so niggas treat her the same. This is real, little homie. When it rains, it pours. Hollow tips and talents. When it rains, it pours. Get caught in lead showers, just because niggas ain't playing. When it rains, it pours. Niggas get set up, it's when it rains, it pours. End up wet up, it's when it rains, it pours. It usually goes down over money and hoes. But little homie, in my hood, when it rains, it pours. There was blood stains on my stoop when Eyeball got shot. My homicide outside, nigga, I'm not. This the 3rd time them niggas done circled the block. It's money out now, yeah, but damn, it's hot. They love to catch a nigga on a direct sale. They say tell us to court the body or you going to jail. Look, if you know the drill, you stay the fuck out of Dodge. I say what's happening to the captain and what's up to the Sarge. Fuck being in the cage, man, that shit for the birds. Charlie drunk, drinking wild Irish rolls on the curb. A number spot full of niggas trying to bet a few bucks, hoping they number come out, they can have them some luck. ace to the deuce. He stumbled off mad, lost his re-up money, man, that's all he had. Magazine from the store so he could look at the cars and do pull-ups in the park on the monkey bars. Mad as fuck, little homie. When it rains, it pours. Hollow tips and talents. When it rains, it pours. Get caught in lead showers just because niggas ain't playing. When it rains, it pours. Niggas get set up. It's when it rains, it pours. End up wet up. It's when it rains, it pours. It usually goes down over money and hoes. But little homie, in my hood, when it rains, it pours.
Really nice guy.
Physique is so pleasing, man.
It's men's physique, isn't it?
Mate, it's just a really nice, pleasing physique. Like it's a men's physique.
Yeah.
Like it's how, yeah. Mate, that waist. Your delta waist ratio's fucked, mate. Nuts. Dryness already, the dryness and that's crazy. Press them hands. There it is. Detail on that back's crazy, man. Even now the detail coming through is fucking nuts. It's getting better, it's coming more and more through as you pose.
Yeah.
Curl over, if you look up, it brings out all the detail.
Just remembering that, you know.
Even in the lower part of your back, the detail fucking, that's a great shot. Fucking striations at that back already. When that fills, mate, it'll get crazy and all this.
Yeah.
Tilt back. There it is. Yes.
Men's physique.
Men's physique was fucking nuts, lads. He's fucking. That's fucking serious.
Right, people, we made it back home after such a good session. I did a little bit of arms, as you can see. It was literally just me and Tom in the gym, and Tom's 7 days out, so for him, it's at that point now where he's getting ready for peak week, and it's just an absolute blessing to have met Tom and all the guys at Live this year. It's been such a good environment, and I even said it to him before. I was like, you know, thank you so much for the hospitality, thank you so much for the energy and the drive, and it's just made my prep that much more enjoyable. And I've said it time and time again in this series, but environment is key to the success of your overall bodybuilding journey, and putting yourself in those environments with people who are doing the same thing as you pays dividends to you, your overall mindset, and then in turn to your physique and your progress. So I'm super grateful for his hospitality, that gym, and just having that environment to go to and train at every day. So we've made it back now. He had a look over me as well, instilled some real good confidence in me, and I feel really good after sending my check-in photos over, my post-workout visual, should I say, over to Jamie. A little bit flat, but exactly where we need to be as we continue this fill and this load. So we're at meal 3 now of the high day. We have got, I'm sticking with salted caramel at the moment. I'm using a lot of salted caramel. Cream and rice, I'll probably have the chocolate later tonight before bed, but we've got 150 grams. We've made it very cakey because Jamie doesn't want it volumized. We've got 30 grams of raisins. They're a great addition just to increase overall carbohydrates without adding a ton of GI stress or volume. We've got 30 grams of honey, cinnamon, pink salt, 100 grams of basa, and I would like to have a little bit of shredded lettuce here, but I just don't have any at the moment, so I might call and get some later. Got a little bit of sauerkraut on the side, and our usual Frank's red hot sauce with 3 cranks of red salt and our water. So I'm gonna sit down, enjoy this meal, and then we're going for a little massage. Wow, did your boy need that massage? So we just went for a lymphatic drainage massage, and there were veins everywhere. My back is so much looser, and I feel amazing. So we've got to meal number 4. I would like a bit of shredded lettuce, and I've still not been to the supermarket yet, but I am going tonight with Lorena just to pick up a few bits. So I'm going to add a little bit of shredded lettuce to it, but again, we don't want tons of veggies, but shredded lettuce doesn't have fibre, so my stomach is in a good place anyway using that. But this meal doesn't look that appetizing, but it is what it is. It is 100 grams of lean mince, 1 banana, 225 grams of jasmine rice, and 30 grams of almond butter. So I'm going to get this down now. We've got 3 cranks of pink salt, a little bit of Frank's Red Hot, a little bit of sugar-free ketchup.
And that's actually 4 total with Dorian signing up yesterday night. So there was 3 yesterday whenever they posted. So Dorian signed up last night. So
yo, look, right? Minus the whole pro show shit, yo, they're gonna lose their shorts on the show. Yo, the NPC numbers are so low, dude.
A bit of filming. We are at meal number 5 of this first high day. We're going to show you this meal. Another nice clean meal. So 225 grams of jasmine rice, 30 grams of raisins, 100 grams of chicken breast, so not a lot of protein again, just to aid in that digestion because we're obviously adding more carbs in. Finally got some shredded lettuce so I can have a little bit of greenery there and some cucumber. And we've got 15 grams, let me just clarify that actually, 1 second. 15 grams of olive oil I think it is, so just going to make sure. Yeah, 15 grams of olive oil going on top, so we will get this in. Well, let's put my chicken on the rice. What do you think? Probably the chicken,
Rice is nice as well though. We said different things.
Yeah, but I'm going to put...
The rice is nice because when you mix it all round.
Well, registered, is that definitely...
Why didn't you put the olive oil in the rice when it was cooking?
1 second, I'll get it perfect, so... That felt like it was a lot more, like sometimes it doesn't register it. Especially stuff like that. Every detail counts, guys, so we're going to make sure that we get this right. I'll use a lot of olive oil, so is that definitely... See, that's 15 now, that looks like a lot though to me. Is that correct?
No, that's right.
Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit out of that. So I'm going to put that on. 15 of the olive oil. Beautiful. I am so hungry, guys. When you start loading up on carbs, you start to get like really hungry. So we're going to add in our usual Frank's Red Hot, a little bit of that on top. I'll pick some more for that in the morning. A little bit of sugar, 0 cal ketchup. And there we have it. 3 cranks of pink salt. And that, guys, is meal number 5. Beautiful. That is the back shaved, and me and Lorena are now ready for bed. So we've got the final meal. I just checked in with Jamie after meal 5 before we shave my back, and we have got an addition to this meal. So we've got the usual part of the meal, which is 100 grams of lean mince. We've got our cream of rice by Conta Sports, which is going to be the chocolate flavour tonight. So we've got 125 grams, 1 banana, 30 grams of honey, 30 grams of nut butter, some cinnamon, and 3 cranks pink salt. And then the boss man, after reviewing visuals, decided to put 1 more chocolate muffin in pre-bed. So we're going to get this in now, guys. I am so tired, ready for a really big sleep, and then we are 1 day out. We are taking our ashwagandha by Conta and our Supreme Sleep as well, so we get a really good rest tonight. Waking up feeling ready to go 1 day out. Let's do this. What is good people? So we woke up at a new all-time low weight of prep today, 103.3, and we are hard, dry, and we are slowly filling out. So checked in with coach, he's extremely happy, said this is the best look of the entire prep. So we're going to basically rerun the meals that we ran yesterday. Slight manipulations to meal 1 and 2.